Hi, and welcome to this short video on subforms. These are really useful for accessing information and can be built very quickly and easily. The best way of explaining it is to see it working. So we're going to look at one which has already been built in our familiarization application and then go and build a new one ourselves. The one that is already pre-built is on the form Market Sectors. So let's select Market Sectors and look at the first record, Distribution. We can see that a number of organizations have been identified as operating within that sector. Similarly, if we go to the next record, Public Sector, we can see the associated organizations, and so on. Subforms are therefore created to show the related contents of a related form. In this application, we could have a subform on the organizations form to show actions or opportunities. In our example, we are now going to create a subform based on organizations and make the subform contain people information, people roles, and contact numbers within the organization. So let's begin. We start by double-clicking on the organization form, and from here we can see that we are in runtime. So let's now change that to design time so that we can add a subform. We now need to go to the Object palette and select the subform icon. We then need to place it in the form and drag it to the size we want. We can see it now pops up with the Form Definition and Relationships dialog. We want to now choose People from the menu and then select OK. We are now prompted with the Layout dialog and we are going to choose Custom followed by OK. Great! We have created a subform with a title of People, but it doesn't contain any information. This is because we chose it to do it in custom format. From here, we can now add our specific fields from the form People into the subform. Again, we can do this by going into the Object palette and select the Edit box and place the cursor where we want the field to go in the subform. The fields are obviously already predefined in the People form, so it is just a case of selecting what we want and placing them where we want them in the subform. We can choose all the information from the People form or only certain bits, but for now we are only going to use some of them. So let's get some of these predefined fields and select Job Title, Email, Mobile and Office. Now we need to add an object text next to them by way of an explanation for the field. For example, let's put the object text of name by the person's name field. So we select the text symbol T and add the piece of text. We can also do this for the remaining fields, job title, email, mobile and office. And that's it. Finished. Our subform is created. Let's save the form. Go into runtime mode and let's look at the organizations. Now we can see who works for them. So Ffenics subforms lets us access related data really easily and simply bring together related information into one place. The uses of subforms are endless, such as opportunities being shown for each customer, visits against each patient, services against each vehicle, to name just a few. That's it for this short video on subforms. Now go to the next in the series, which will enhance your product knowledge and help you to get the best out of Ffenics.